Today I'm going to show you how to integrate your website into Mailchimp. From your homepage, you're going to go over to the left-hand side to your sidebar. You're going to click on websites. Now, from here, you can come down and you can add in your Wix website. This is how you will integrate or connect your site. So you can either click on connect your site. Over here, you will be prompted with a page to connect an existing site. So over here, click on continue. Over here, you will now sign into your Wix account. And once you've signed into your Wix account with either Google, Facebook, Apple, or an email address, you'll give permissions now. So click on add and agree. These are all the permissions that you will be adding. It's now setting up your connection. Now what you can do is you can build websites on Wix and it will be integrated individually into Mailchimp. So if you are perhaps managing multiple websites on Mailchimp, you will now be able to add in each one of them separately. So you can see now we've got our linked audience, and then we've got the import selected contact types from Wix, and then the map Wix contacts. Just go ahead, click on sync now. All right, it's now in progress. Click on view dashboard and you will now see Wix is integrated. You can come down here. You'll be able to see your connections, your automations, and then you'll be able to go to Wix straight from here and perhaps create your website or edit your website, and it'll be updated on Mailchimp.